Kevin Wells, Competition Director of Formula Drift. We're out here in Englishtown Raceway Park, halfway through the pro season. It's been real hot this weekend, but the seating bracket went well the other day, so we'll see how it goes today.
Guys,
how's this going?
probably not good. We've been banned one of those lowers, little brackety guys over there. Spent most of the time getting it off.
Start trying for the pitchfork.
All right, sorry guys.
You tried.
Yep.
I mean, I told myself I had to hit him, so.
Yeah, you needed to hit him.
I mean, I wanted to put some marks on that boiler door. It ripped the wheel like right out of my hand.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I felt like I didn't hit him that hard, but it just, boom.
Just unlucky.
Yeah.
All
It
right.
happens. I mean, it's the first time I've hit someone in pro, so, you know.
There you go.
Got to get that out of the way.
Hey, buddy.
Say hi, come give him a high five.
High five?
You got that water bottle?
He's like, I'm drinking. All right, so you got to be on the ground, fired up, driving away. So that you're gonna have to get that battery charger too. Matt, get ready to pull the battery charger. What happened out there? A plug wire came out the first time or what?
Dude, at the end of my warm-up, the plug wire comes out. So I'm like, oh. So we're just checking them.
What's up? Yeah, I'm gonna turn him. Back on brakes. No, a little movement.
All right.
It's a freaking bummer because I feel like the boys who worked their freaking ass off. They gave me one hell of a car. My driving was everything that it needed to be, and stupid mechanical stuff. Brand new wheel studs, clean.
Solid, bruh. This third brake light strip started like 2 minutes, basically out. It's shorting out before it goes through the body.
Okay, Johnny found the short. We're good, we're good.
Can we check the tire pressure to make sure it did not lose any from contact?
Copy. I'll let him know. Okay. The judges just changed their mind to shared fault, so you're technically on your 5 now.
What?
So you've got 2 minutes, 20 seconds left.
Okay, 2 minutes, 20 seconds. We're on our 5 now.
Yeah, the judges changed their mind to shared fault right now, so you're on your 5. So you have 2 minutes left, basically.
Let them know.
Yeah.
Your winner at round 4 at E-Town is James the Machine gets the win! New Jersey!